Hi guys, it's Carmen here and I am back with another unboxing and review. Today I have the Caudabe Sheath for iPhone 15 Pro Max. I absolutely love Caudabe. They always provide nice details in their packaging, which allows for a great unboxing experience. As you can see, this is a nice, very nice detailed box. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and open the box. The case I have here is the Caudabe Sheath in gray, and boy, does it look good. So, real quick before we get into the case, Caudabe has the following right inside of the box, letting you know that if you were to have any issue to reach out to their email address. This case has a 1-year warranty as well as 30-day returns and exchanges, and Caudabe typically replies within 1 business day. They also include all of their social media, so if you're interested, go ahead and give them a follow. There is also a pamphlet in the box that gives some more cool information about Caudabe. And wow, look at the back of the box. It is so nice. Okay, so now for the case. The first thing I noticed immediately that's different from last year's sheath is this nice microfiber lining in the inside. It feels really good and feels like quality. Now, Apple includes microfiber lining in their case as well, but it does not feel as good as the lining in the Caudabe case. And that's no shade to Apple because I am still an Apple case girl. Even on the back, it gives a different look than Apple's case. And I know that these are 2 different materials on the back, but I will say that you will not have to worry about any fingerprinting on Caudabe's case, which I love, but this may not be an issue to others, so hey. And in my opinion, if you have the natural titanium iPhone, this is definitely the color you will need from the Caudabe lineup. They pair very well together. The case feels very, very, very good in the hand. And the buttons, they're very, very super clicky and tactile. You do get your action button on the side, which is a plus as well. And I am not sure how much this case weighs, but it feels light as well. So no worries there if you're wondering if it adds any extra weight. All right, and I do want to take a quick look at the sheath from last year to see if we can spot any differences. First off, I'm not sure if I'm tripping or not, but the camera cutout looks bigger on the sheath from last year. All right, and I think I've spotted the biggest difference, which is that microfiber lining that has been added. It just looks better. You get that nice big Caudabe logo engraved in the lining and the wording at the top that says genuine Caudabe product. It looks good as well. The lining gives the case a nice luxury look to it, and the back looks pretty much the same. The MagSafe ring in the inside looks great and will definitely be helpful with all of your MagSafe accessories. Here is a closer, more in-depth look at the case, guys, so you can get a better idea of what the case looks and feels like. As you can see, it does have this nice textured material on the back. You get some pretty good coverage around the camera. And the lip around the screen is decent as well. I wouldn't say it's the best, but it's doable. Caudabe does mention on the box that it should help with drops for up to 6.6 feet. So all of your, everyday drops, you should be good. All right, guys, that's it for now. If you're interested in purchasing this case, head over to Caudabe's website. I will link it in the description as well. If you do decide to purchase, let me know what color you're thinking about getting in the comment section. All right, see you next time. Bye.